Hello friends, I'm Rebecca from Balance Group. The new generation wheel balancer G66 is the fresh member of the group. Next to me is the ProLine G66. It supports 25 display languages and provides prompts for action at each steps. I would say you will never regret for your choice if you put this on your shopping list. G66 is very simple to use. Follow the guidance, just simply move the multifunction scale and the wise measuring scale once you finish tire measurement, data input, tire rims recognition, and ALU mode select. G66 has automatic brake function. The wheel is able to return in the correct position. Here you can see the laser point is targeting the unbalanced place. Follow the laser point, we can easily find the exact place to stick the weight. If you are expecting a no training required machine, G66 would be your best choice. Now let's do a balance test with a tire. At first, let's measure the tire data and put on the protect cover. Now we got the result. The balance weight now is 15 and 0 gram. We need to stick 15 gram on the right position. Okay, check again. Now the data is 0 and 0 gram. We can put the right button to check the real data, and it is 1 and 3 gram. Want a double check? Let's change to a different angle of the car tire to double check the accuracy. Now the machine balance weight is 0 and 0 gram, and the actual data is 1 and 2 gram. The difference compared to the last two data are very close and almost the same. Please stay with us on this live streaming. I hope you will enjoy it. I'm Rebecca from Balance Group. Thank you.